Today we're going to be doing an XForce exhaust install on a buddy's GR86. I know I've been sponsored by XForce before, so this is not a paid video. He actually bought the exhaust through XForce, so I just want to make some content with the XForce exhaust. I've actually been looking into this exhaust myself, so I want to show you guys the XForce exhaust because it's valved. I actually had the Varex valves on my LS-BRZ and it worked great. So right now I'm actually looking into getting the Varex exhaust for my BRZ because it's really loud, as you might have seen in the previous video. So let's get into it. His current exhaust setup is a JDL turbo kit and stock mid pipe and a Remark axle back. Yeah, that happened. Is that? I'm guessing that might be the controller. They sell you like these keys to control the valve, or you can get like a hard wire like switch, and it's like 30 bucks on their website, I think. It taps into like this wiring harness, and so you don't have to flick it. Yeah, you can flick it instead of like digging in your pocket, grabbing the remote and like opening and closing it. So it's just kind of convenient. So we'll keep that for later. Oh, are they like, you can change them?
Yeah.
Oh, oh wow. I'm not a big fan of burnt.
Yeah, I like solid colors, but there's two options to choose from.
All right, so here's the XForce catback. We're gonna put it together and assemble it while it's out of the car, and we're gonna put the tips in last, just so we don't scratch them up. This is the valve itself, and we'll probably run the wiring through the bumper, the back bumper, into the trunk. Brother, do you not have a front pipe hanger on?
No.
You don't?
No.
Yeah, I can tell. It just dropped. Brother. So to wire the XForce, we're going to be using the flap on this side of the car. You can undo your whole entire trunk. And he's gonna, here. Give me this and I'll feed it down towards you. All right, so this is the pigtail that I'm gonna be feeding down into the trunk area. This part obviously goes to the cigarette lighter, and then this part goes to the receiver itself. See it?
Vision.
Oh, that's fine. Yeah, we could just leave it like this and then install the exhaust.
And then we'll
this is
pull
fine.
It up. Yeah.
That was literally the hardest part. Here, help me lift up the tip.
Not the light. I got it.
Oh, yeah. Got it.
Okay.
So what's nice about this exhaust is that the tips are like really adjustable. So this tip, you could adjust how far it sticks out, and then this one, you can adjust it from left and right. Yeah. So say if you mount the exhaust all wonky and it's fitted too far to the left, kind of like how this one is, we can adjust it a little bit to the right, and so you can get the perfect fitment for your car. So I think this would be perfect for like first gen, second gen. That's a drastic difference.
And it's a cold start too.
That is a cold start. Is that open? So I noticed with my valve, if you like tap it, it's like slightly open now.
Yeah.
A little bit more, then it's like fully open.
So it's like a.
It's literally a valve.
Pedal, yeah.
Yeah. So now it's fully closed. I'll tap it. I'll tap A. Now you can kind of hear a little bit more. Sounds like an exhaust leak. Even what do you call it? Valve opened, it doesn't sound that loud at idle at least. What's your exhaust setup? It's a JDL turbo kit?
JDL turbo kit. I have cats.
Okay, so JDL Equalink high flow cat down pipe, JDL 3-inch overpipe dual resonated front pipe with the XForce catback. Is it louder than before, you think? Or is it quieter?
Quieter.
Oh, really? Okay. Do you like that or no?
I like it.
Okay.
Because I'm road tripping to California, so
Is this valve closed?
open.
Ooh, I like that. Pops. Do you have the thing where it switches maps with the cruise control? Oh, really?
But just stay on this map because I'm on Flexfield. So.
Yeah, I'm not messing with your maps. That's quiet, dude. You hear like the little mini pops. That sounds pretty good. I'm gonna turn this light off, or can I? Oh, it's so bright. Is that open?
Yeah.
That's still pretty quiet. It sounds good. And your back seats are down too, so it's not super loud.
Okay, I'll slow down.
You're not scraping anymore, so that's good.
Yeah.
That sounds good. I'm an unequal length kind of guy, but
Yeah.
this sounds good. I like this sound. Sounds so good.
Especially valves open.
Do you want to hear from the outside?
Yeah.
Or no? Here, take the camera.
Okay. I did not know.
Dude.
I didn't know the pop sounded that insane.
With the valve shut, it's like you can't even hear the car. You can just hear the whoosh. You hear the turbo whoosh. Good night. Good night.